Hey guys, it's Ira here again. Thanks for checking out another video with me today. Now, recently we've been talking about a product called the Lost Code and how it can help you leverage your income goals or actually reach them faster by leveraging high ticket products and earning those high ticket commissions. So remember, we spoke about if your goal is $1,000 a month, it's a lot quicker and a lot easier to reach that goal by selling products that are worth $200, $300, $400, $500, up to $1,000 than it is to sell low ticket products like, ones that sell for $10 or $20. So today we're going to jump into what the course is all about, the Lost Code, and I'll take you through the course front end. I'll let you know what all the upgrades are along the way, so you know what to expect when you're heading in to purchase your copy. So let's jump in. So here we are on the dashboard of the Lost Code. You can see the guy in the video there is Brendan Mace. He is the creator of the product, and he is a well and truly qualified marketer. He clears well over $5 million a year in product sales. He's made dozens and dozens of products. So the guy knows what he's been doing. He's been around for about 6 or 7 years, and he's been a big influence on basically getting me up to the level where I'm at of earning thousands of dollars a month. Before that, I was piddling along doing $50 to $100 a week. Sometimes that would be a good week. Usually I'd only make a couple $100 a month. But, when I ran into Brendan, he really taught me the power of you leveraging high ticket product strategies. And that's exactly what he's going to teach you in this product called the Lost Code. So let's go through what you can expect to learn in this product. So this is the welcome video where he basically tells you what you can expect to learn. He gives you an overview of what the Lost Code strategy is about, and as I mentioned, it is all to do with high ticket products and where you can find those products, the products that he recommends, the funnels that he will provide you, and the promotion strategies as well. He's got a case study here where he runs through just how much some of these products that he's been selling and how much they can sell for, proof that they do sell for high numbers. You can see when you watch the video, he's got products that, a $200 product that generated $40,000 in like a couple of weeks, which is crazy. But it's all about leveraging those higher ticket sales. Remember what I said, it's about the same effort to sell a $200 product than it is a $20 product. So if you're going to expend that same amount of effort, you might as well get compensated more for it, right? So in the next one, we have the audition money method. Now this is basically a strategy that I haven't seen many people doing, but it's basically pre-qualifying leads through kind of an audition or an application form. So you get people to admit basically to the sale before they even get presented with it, and this is all done through basically kind of like an application form. So if you wanted to buy, let's say, some expensive coaching from Brendan, you would have to fill out an application form, and that basically pre-qualifies the lead and makes the sale easier. So you can apply the strategy to any other high ticket products, and it doesn't even have to be expensive $1,000 coaching programs. You could do this for just a $200 product and it would still work as effectively. In the simple little promos section, you've got basically how to create promotions that are based around products using bonuses. And this is a really great strategy to help convert any products that basically are being promoted by hundreds of other people at the same time. Why should people buy through you? Well, it's by creating these promotions that basically are unique. You create bonus packages that are unique to you, and people will then purchase these through your link instead of someone else's because they want the extra bonuses that you're providing. In your very own webinar, so in this section they teach you, or basically they give you a webinar template that you can then use to sell high ticket products. Now, it's no secret in the internet marketing world, this may be new to you, but the best way to sell a high ticket product is through a webinar. You may have sat on some webinars before where you've had, about 30 to 40 minutes of presentation on a good one. Some are only 15, 20 minutes. And then at the end, they pitch you a product. Now, this is very common practice in the internet marketing world or the online make money online world, and this is a great way to sell high ticket products. If you've sat through one before, then you know what I'm talking about. This is a great way to leverage that strategy and use it for yourself. Now, the thing is, you don't have to do a webinar. You don't have to sit in front of the screen and talk and all that sort of stuff. They've given you a template that you can then basically copy and paste and license, and you get to put your links in there, and you can use it to promote high ticket products, but you get paid the commission for. So that's really cool. The traffic methods now, so they teach you 3 different traffic methods. One is about ranking your videos on YouTube, and this is taught by Jono Armstrong, who is a guru. He's an absolute beast at ranking on YouTube. If you look for any product review, you'll probably find his videos on YouTube. So he has some great tactics and great tricks about how to rank your videos. And the best part about ranking videos on YouTube is that the traffic is free, basically, because if you get to the top of YouTube, you get organic search results, which are always free. You don't have to pay for those. So that's always a bonus. And I think he also teaches you some Google ad strategies on YouTube on there as well. Traffic method number 2 is about getting quality traffic for cheap clicks from Bing. Now, Bing is Microsoft's search engine like Google, and it's nowhere near as competitive as Google is. So you can get some great quality clicks for cheap. Now, it's nowhere near as competitive from an advertiser's point of view, but there's definitely lots and lots and lots of people who still use Bing. So this is a great traffic source to check out, especially when you're getting started. You may not have as big an advertising budget, or you just want to, dip your toes into the water and get a feel of it for a bit before you, jump into the bigger leagues. Bing is definitely a great place to start. So this module right here is perfect for learning how to get your feet wet with basically paid traffic. Now, the third traffic method is some underground traffic sources that aren't so common. And a few of these, I believe, are like social networks where you can basically siphon off some traffic that is targeted to your offers. So this is a great module to learn about where you can eke out a little bit more traffic to pump towards your offers, which is always a good thing. Traffic is basically the lifeblood of any online business. So remember what I said, your deal as an affiliate is getting eyeballs to an offer. So it takes the same amount of effort to get someone in front of a $20 offer as it does a $200 offer. So the traffic is where all of this stuff comes into play. So the more traffic you can have at your disposal, the higher your chances are of converting and earning those commissions. So you get 3 traffic methods in this course, and they're all quality, they're all solid. The last module is called the list building hack. So as any good internet marketer or online business builder will tell you, you need a list, or the money is in the list. So basically, a list is your email list. It is a group of people who know, like, and trust you, and therefore will listen to what you have to say. So this module teaches you how to build your own list, but not just any list. Basically, it teaches you how to build a list of buyers, which is, the creme de la creme of any email list. So the more buyers you have, buyers are basically people who have said yes with their credit card, with their wallet, with their money. They've bought something before. They're not a freebie seeker. They are definitely more valuable than most other leads that come onto your list. So this is a great little trick to boost the number of buyers on your list. And if you're going to build a list, you definitely want to have more buyers than freebie seekers on there. So this is definitely worth checking out. So that's the course in a nutshell. There are some upgrades which I will talk about now. And these upgrades, so the main course is $13, and for $13 you get all of that information that we just went through, which is already great. This is information that these guys probably spent months and years even, and thousands of dollars trying to perfect, and you get it only for $13, which is great. So some of the upgrades that are here, we'll go through them, and you can decide to pick these up at your own choice. You don't need them, but definitely any upgrades that you pick up will help you in your journey. So the first upgrade is the done for you system, and this costs $37. Now basically you get a done for you solution of the lost code that includes at minimum 5 done for you high converting funnels. So if you're not sure what a funnel is basically a set of web pages and emails that basically are designed to help someone convert towards a product. If you're new to this, if you're just getting started, then a done for you solution is probably going to be a good thing. Basically, it means you don't have to go through the headache of setting up web pages, websites, building them in a template builder, getting a domain name, getting all that stuff hooked up. Definitely, this is probably something worth checking out. If you're totally new to all of that, it all seems overwhelming, you should check that out. The second upgrade is the limitless traffic, and this one costs $197. So basically, this means you get to send virtually unlimited traffic from Brendan and Jono's launches, which consists of 100% buyers. Now, this is about basically you get to put a pixel, which is like a tracking code, on a Facebook pixel onto their sales pages. So whenever Brendan and Jono have a big launch, they get tens of thousands of people coming to their web pages. You get to put a little bit of code on their page that allows you to collect that information and build an audience, which you can then advertise to later on. If you're just getting started, if you don't really know what tracking is and setting up pixels and all that stuff, I would say skip this one for now. You don't necessarily need this. But if you know what you're doing, if you've been doing this a while and you want to get access to basically qualified Facebook traffic or qualified leads who buy their products, and I mean by they Brendan and Jono, then definitely check this one out. I've got this one as well, and it's definitely improved my Facebook campaign. So grab this one if you're into that. But if you're new to this, you can skip it. The next one is the 52-week coaching with Brendan and Jono. This costs $397. Now this is a year's worth of coaching with Jono and Brendan, who both make 50 to 100K per month, and this is real. You can go and check them out. They do make literally hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. It's insane. If you want this, if you want to be coached by superstars in the industry, definitely check this one out. It is worth its weight in gold. The next one is lifetime campaigns, and this is $197. So you get done for you campaigns every month basically from these guys, and you don't have to pay any recurring fees. Every time they launch a new product, they'll have some bonus packages around that you can then use in your own marketing to sell onto your list. This is what you would get if you were going to purchase this upgrade. Would I recommend buying this? This is kind of an intermediate level. You can if you want. I would focus on the basics first. But if you do have the basics in place and you understand what selling bonuses are and building a list is and all that sort of thing, then definitely pick this up. Okay, number 5 is the license resale rights. This is $97. So basically you get to sell this product, the lost code, as your own and keep 100% of the profits. So the front end was $13. If you were to promote this as an affiliate, you would get, I think it's 50%, so you get about $7 per commission. If you purchased this licensed rights and you promoted this product to anyone who bought not just the front end, but they bought upgrade 1 and this 52-week coaching and the lifetime campaigns, you would keep 100% of that money. None of that money would go to Brendan. You would get it all. I think that's a steal for $97. Basically, it gives you a product that you can say is your own. Well, you can't say it is your own, but you don't have to do the hard work of creating a product yourself. It's handed to you on a silver platter. You just go promote it. Whoever buys the product will then, therefore, all the commissions will come straight to you. This is about increasing the amount of commissions you get. So you're turning a $13 product now into a high ticket product because you can get access to all of these, commissions like, $197, $397. So basically every time someone pays for those upgrades, you get the full sale, which is great. The next upgrade is a $2,000 upgrade, and this is one-on-one coaching with Brendan Mace. Now, I don't know if Brendan still offers this. It is very pricey, yes, but you know, to be coached by a millionaire, that's a small price to pay. I would say skip this one, honestly, because you can get the next upgrade, which is his digital coaching. So this basically gets you access to all the coaching you would get from the $2,000 package, minus the one-on-one with Brendan. You get all his videos, you get all his online content, you get all his files for a price of $197. So if you're interested in the information, but you don't have the $2,000 funds to commit to that, then definitely the next upgrade at $197 is a good compromise, because you get all the information anyway. You just don't get access to Brendan one-on-one. Now, if you are interested in a high ticket coaching, because you're like, you know, man, to be coached by Brendan, that'd be pretty cool. I would say if you still want to, you know, invest that amount of money, there is a better high ticket program that I know that I can offer you. And so if you're interested in that, then send me an email and we can talk more. But, you know, definitely skip that one for a regular purchase. If you're interested in the coaching, grab the next upgrade. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, you know, you can get access to all the information in the course just for the $13 price tag. I don't know if this product is going to be around forever. So if you're interested in it, and I mean, for $13, it's basically a no-brainer, right? It's a cup of coffee and a sandwich or something. So definitely check it out. All the upgrades, decide which ones suit you the best. I'm not going to tell you which ones you should or should not get. I've given you my recommendations. But definitely everything in this course will suit you, whether you're a beginner or you're more intermediate and you're trying to boost your income earnings and leverage those high ticket commissions. So definitely check it all out. It's been a great help for me, and I hope it has helped you as well in some way. Make sure you get some high ticket promotion strategies into your business and leverage it to make your income earnings a reality, and you know, reach those goals that you've always been striving for. So thank you very much. We'll catch you again in the next video. See ya.